There's the slide with the tube. You're gonna do that with me, okay?
Oh man, that's gonna be so scary.
Get up, right? Look, you guys have your own TV.
No, it's not. It's not.
Go, Eli! Strike! We're here! We're at Great Wolf Lodge. We made it after 2 hours of driving. Are you guys ready? Excited? Just open at 4 p.m. A lot of people right now, and it's a weekend. Wave pool. You get free soda.
Oh yeah, free soda.
Not free, but you gotta buy it. There's the slide with the tube. You're gonna do that with me, okay?
Oh man, that's gonna be so scary.
No, it's not. Oh look, put your hands in there. Eli, put your hands. Are you a wolf? Are you a wolf? Happy birthday! Quick picture with the kids. Cheese! Santa Claus will be there soon. We're gonna go and get kids the wolf ears. Riker, that's yours.
No, is that yours?
Yeah, that's Riker's.
And would you like to howl like a wolf?
You wanna howl like a wolf? Do you know how?
You do it, you do it. No, thank you.
Oh, come on, Caleb, you go. Wolf. Caleb.
Because I don't want bags.
Thank you. Okay, there's yours, Caleb. So have a
Hi, boys. You look wet.
There's Santa. Now there's going to be a snow here. They're having fun with the snow. And then we'll go to Santa next. Hi, snow. You like snow? Yeah.
Good to see you. All right, now what do you want for Christmas? You don't know, is it get past the birthday, and then you can do Christmas. What about you? Do you know what you want for Christmas? You? No? What about you? Well, nobody knows. That's okay, we have 2.5 weeks. But that's not very long. I'd start to stress out in 3 days. You gotta go, right? All right, Riker, let's get, you want to sit up here? You're so tiny. All right, we're gonna put you up.
There you go. Good job, Caleb.
Other side?
Eli on the other side?
There you go.
On the other side.
All right, now birthday boy over here. Tall girls over here.
We are on the 8th floor. Elevator to doctor right here.
Oh, you press it.
You press, go press.
Did you guys read the number? It says.
No, that's not Kuya Riker's room.
That's my room. That's my room.
Look, this is your room. Happy birthday, Riker. 836. This way. Welcome to our room. Ooh, it works. It worked.
How do you know what's going to play at 4
Wait,
Get upright, guys.
look, you guys have your own TV.
No, it's not. It's not the same. It's fine.
I've been on bunk beds a lot. I'm gonna fall.
Yeah, right.
Is it comfy? Oh. Wow. Birthday house and cheers. Pinicturan mo na? Happy birthday, Riker!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Riker, the best person ever in the world. I'm getting the first slice.
That's what
I'm the birthday.
Spread it out. Spread it out. Okay, picturing.
I want a person.
Yeah. We're gonna have Korean tonight. We're gonna eat at BCD Tofu in Gardena, which is about 10 minutes away from us. So the kids will do their swimming tomorrow instead of tonight. We're gonna check out tomorrow, but you can still use the park to swim if you want to. So tonight we'll probably just do arcade, do some bowling, and tomorrow we'll do swimming. This is the one that they had today, some snowland with Santa Claus. They had a snowfall celebration, Frosty Fest dance party, and snowland yoga tails. Where is it?
Yes, we have to ask them.
I think we have to go one more, L1.
Bro.
Yeah, you guys wanna play? Okay, let's go arcade and then we can play here. There's some ice cream and sweets. There's a Build-A-Bear. There's a food stuff here if you need it. Let's see the balance, Caleb. Check card balance. Magic class. It's like wine. What do you guys want? Go, Caleb. Are you winning?
You want more?
Home run. Nice! That was a good one. Got a lot. You got 60 tickets. Nice. Marry me.
Never.
You got that one?
Show it to them.
Oh, I got that big one. I got this. Good morning. We are on our day 2, and today we're gonna eat breakfast and then head to the water park.
No, sorry.
Swimming? Eat first and then swimming, okay? We are getting our breakfast at Dunkin' Donuts, and then we're gonna eat it by the pool. See, there's Dunkin' Donuts. This is our breakfast from Dunkin' Donut. Ta-da! They don't have sprinkles, I think. Heading to the water park through the gift shop.
Boy, we're free. Tell that boy thank you for holding the door.
let's play some bowling for the kids. Ooh, almost. Yeah! Ooh, strike! Oh! Uh-oh, you're gonna get it, you're gonna get it. Oh! Go, Eli. Strike! Oh! Just French fries. Last one. Okay, Kayla. That's it. Time to go home. You guys had fun? Eli? You had fun? No? You did? Okay, are you guys ready to go home? No? You want to stay here more?
We're going to the car now, and then they're gonna drop me off at my house, and then they go. Bye.
Had fun, and we will see you guys again next time for our another adventure as a family. Say bye.
No.
No, you don't want to say bye.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma.